welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Tuesday, May 11th, 2021, and I know you're probably saying, what are we going to see today? So, we're going to know or learn or review about laws and rules. We're going to review what are they, the difference between those two. Well, rule is something that you follow in order to keep you and others safe. Like in the classroom that they say don't run, or the rules that we have now for being careful with the COVID, that use your mouth cover, hand sanitizer, keep your distance. Those are rules. Laws has something different. A law is a rule that everyone in a community must obey, like the transit signs when you're driving, or the law says that you're not supposed to kill, you're not supposed to steal, and all that. That's breaking the law. So law, it's a rule for all the community, all the people here in Ensenada have laws. And a rule is something very specific for a place, so you can be safe and others can be safe. But let's talk about the laws and rules in ancient Egypt. You might ask, how do they know what is okay, what is bad, what is wrong? Well, let me tell you that they follow the rules of a god, the god Ma'at. So the Egyptians believed that the law was based on the common sense of right and wrong. So they already know what's correct, what's incorrect. And they know it because the god Ma'at told it. She was the goddess of truth, verdad, justice, justicia, ethics, ética, balance, and harmony, y armonía. So if they follow the rules, they will be okay. But this concept allowed this concept of the God Ma'at make everybody equal. Todos eran iguales, no matter if you have a lot of rich and you don't have as much as they. No importa cuánta riqueza tenías, you were equal. Except of slaves, excepto los esclavos. So, with this in mind, if somebody broke the law or didn't follow the rules, were punishment, and the punishment were carried with their family. O sea, el castigo iba para ti and your family, en tu familia. For example, let's say that you broke the law and the pharaoh tells you you're exiled, estás exiliado from this town, from this part. So you and your family must go. If you were exiled, also the guilt is for your family. And yeah, that's all what we're going to talk about. I hope you enjoy a little bit about what we were saying. And remember, we need to follow rules and laws because that makes harmony. And we're going to discuss this tomorrow. Have a very nice day, George, and see you tomorrow.